Tapos na po yung rice experiment natin, no? So, white rice lang po ito, 1 cup versus 2 cups. So, nag-start po tayo with the experiment eating 1 cup of rice. Nag-start po yung day natin at 104 and then went up to 138 and then yung final reading po after 2 hours is 121. So, super controlled po siya. The next day, nag-try naman po tayo ng 2 cups of white rice. So, same po yung ulam. Yung rice lang po yung binago natin and nakita nyo naman po yung spike, no? Sobrang taas po niya. So nag-start po yung day natin at 108. After an hour, makit po siya ng 212 and then 182 po yung final reading niya after 2 hours. So pag pinlat po natin sa table yung spikes po ng blood sugar, si 1 cup after 2 hours plus 17 lang siya. Tapos si 2 cups naman po, plus 74. So, 2 cups of white rice lang po yan, ha. Imagine niyo na lang pagka nag-only rice po kayo. So, again, sa type 2 diabetic person, hindi po talaga advisable na kumain ng more than 1 cup of rice on each meal. So, see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you.